Yo, please catch that motherfucker. He shot me.
Shot you, he shot me.
You all right?
I'm fine. Just had a little run-in with your friend Jim Brown over here, but I'm fine.
He steals our shit, kidnaps Julie, shoots at my wife. Oh, we beating him down. We beating him down!
Marcus, I just got one question for you, bro. How the hell you gonna leave my ass at a gunfight to go get the car?
You have got to shut up and let him drive, okay?
Seemed like that gunshot wound has improved your driving skills.
You got the right to remain silent. Anything you say can will be used against you in a court of law.
Yo, man, what the fuck is you doing?
Getting it out the way.
Just punch it, man. Just punch it. Go! Wait, this car's faster. This is a faster fucking car. It's gonna be one or the other, baby. It's gonna be him or it's gonna be us. You better fucking win. That's all I know. Oh, you better win. You better win. Now that's how you supposed to drive. From now on, that's how you drive. Freeze!
He ain't even worth killing, man. Fouché, I bet when your punk ass woke up this morning, you didn't think about 5 o'clock. You have a hole in your leg, did you?
You couldn't kill me, you chicken shit, could you?
Oh, no, I could. You talking like it's over. I was just pausing. See, I'm starting to get the hang of this whole marksman shit, you know what I mean? That shooting them from 30 yards while they running away, no, that's not it. Here's where it is, right here. Point blank, up close and personal.
Mike!
That's what I'm talking about.
Would you do it?
Mike! Step off!
Do it.
Do it! Do it! Oh, it's over. He's a joke. He's a motherfucking joke. Shit. It's a joke. I ever tell you I love you, man?
Yeah, you know you always be getting emotional after gunfights.
It's because I'm glad we survived. Shit. What you talking about?
I love you too, man. Don't be looking at me. I said, yeah, I love you. I said that shit.
You my boy, man.
Nah, you like my brother, man.
So what am I?
Oh, man.
Julie, sweetie, you're a little dangerous.
Yeah, so you like a magnet for random gunfire.
But you all right. You cool. You down. You down.
So, what's next?
No. See, ain't gonna be no next.
Well, Mark, come on, man.
You wanted Mike Lowrey? You got him. Right here. That's Mike. Oh, Mike Lowrey. I'm going home to my wife to get my quality time.
Marcus, why don't you stop playing, man?
I've been beat 3 times since we've been out here. I'm cool, man. Don't need no help. Please, back up. Back up. Don't need no help.
I don't know why you going home to your wife. You got shot in your leg. Your dick probably don't even work.
Marcus, do you have the keys before?
Marcus, you gotta go
Mike
to the hospital
wanted me
anyway,
to go
man.
to this
Stop playing
gunfight.
down.
Then, well, there was this witness. No, listen, honey.
My
Mike
man.
wanted me to pick up
Oh, I'm sorry. My man, can you let me out of here?
I don't got the keys.
What do you mean you don't have no keys? Why wouldn't you have keys?